Imagine never having to pitch your creative services again. Sounds impossible, right? Well, what if I told you there's a book revolutionizing how creative professionals win business? Today, we're diving into a game-changing book causing quite a stir in the creative industry. The Win Without Pitching Manifesto by Blair Enns. What does win without pitching mean? Winning without pitching refers to a business strategy, particularly relevant to creative fields like marketing, design, or consulting. It challenges the traditional approach where companies compete for projects through formal presentations and proposals. Now picture this. You're a talented designer, marketer, or creative entrepreneur. You've got the skills and the passion, but you're stuck in an endless cycle of pitching, competing on price and giving away your best ideas for free. Sound familiar? Blair Enns says it doesn't have to be this way. But who is Blair Enns? Before we dive into the revolutionary concepts presented in the Win Without Pitching Manifesto, let's take a moment to get acquainted with the genius behind it all. Blair Enns is a renowned authority in the creative services industry, a thought leader, and a seasoned consultant who has helped countless businesses flourish. In this compact but powerful book, Enns presents 12 proclamations that challenge everything you thought you knew about winning creative business. Let's break them down one by one and how you can apply them in your business. 1. We will specialize. Identify a niche or specific area of expertise within your industry. Focus on becoming a recognized authority in that niche. Example, if you run a marketing agency, specialize in a particular sector like healthcare or technology. 2. We will replace presentations with conversations. Shift from formal presentations to informal collaborative discussions with potential clients. Example, instead of preparing a detailed pitch deck, engage in a dialogue to understand the client's needs and demonstrate your expertise through conversation. 3. We will diagnose before we prescribe. Conduct thorough assessments of client needs before proposing solutions. Example, implement a discovery phase where you gather information and diagnose the client's problems before offering any solutions. 4. We will rethink what it means to sell. Focus on building relationships and trust rather than just closing deals. Example, develop content and resources that educate potential clients and position you as a thought leader. 5. We will do with words what we used to do with paper. Use verbal agreements and conversations to outline proposals, reserving written documents for formal contracts. Example, discuss project scopes and terms verbally and only draft a contract once an agreement is reached. 6. We will be selective. Be choosy about the clients you take on, ensuring they align with your expertise and values. Example, develop criteria for client selection and politely decline projects that do not meet these standards. 7. We will build expertise rapidly. Continuously invest in learning and skill development to enhance your expertise. Example, attend industry conferences, pursue certifications, and engage in regular training. 8. We will not solve problems before we are paid. Avoid providing free solutions during the sales process. Example, communicate that detailed solutions will be provided only after the client has committed financially. 9. We will address issues of money early. Discuss budget and pricing early in the conversation to avoid misunderstandings. Example, include a budget discussion in your initial client meetings to ensure alignment on financial expectations. 10. We will refuse to work at a loss. Ensure every project is profitable by setting clear pricing policies. Example, establish a minimum project fee and stick to it, even if it means turning down work. 11. We will charge more. Increase your rates to reflect the value you provide and attract higher quality clients. Example, review your pricing structure annually and adjust rates based on the value and results you deliver. 12. We will hold our heads high. Maintain confidence in your worth and refuse to compromise on your values or pricing. Example, stand firm on your terms and walk away from clients who do not respect your expertise or pricing. By systematically integrating these proclamations into your business practices, you can differentiate your services, build stronger client relationships, and enhance your profitability and professional satisfaction. But here's where it gets really interesting. Enns isn't just throwing out theories. He's providing a practical framework for transforming your business model. And the best part? It's all rooted in storytelling. By following Enns' principles, creative professionals are rewriting their own stories. They're moving from order takers to expert advisors, from price-based competition to value-based collaboration. It's a shift that not only increases profitability, but also job satisfaction. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but can it work for me? Well, that's the beauty of this book. Whether you're a solo freelancer or running a small agency, these principles are adaptable to your unique situation. Readers across the creative spectrum, from designers and marketers to consultants and digital agencies, are calling this book a game changer and a must-read. The Win Without Pitching Manifesto isn't just about winning business. It's about reclaiming your expertise, your time, and your worth. It's a call to arms for creative professionals to step into their power and transform their relationships with clients. So, if you're tired of the pitching treadmill, if you're ready to be valued for your expertise rather than your ability to compete on price, this book might just be the turning point you've been looking for. Have you read The Win Without Pitching Manifesto? How has it impacted your creative business? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're intrigued by what you've heard today, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. We've got more game-changing books coming your way. Until next time, keep turning those pages and transforming your creative journey.